Good day everyone, I am Nicole Jan Clapero from BTBTED's HS2A, and today I'm going to introduce to you the components of a system unit, and in this video lesson you will know the uses of each component. Now the question is, what is a computer system unit? The computer system unit, commonly referred to as the computer case or tower, it is a central component of a desktop computer. It is a box-like enclosure that houses the main hardware components of the computer, including the motherboard, central processing unit, the random access memory, and the hard power supply, and various other components necessary for the computer to function. The system unit components that include in my video presentations that you will see in the next slides are the following: power supply unit, the motherboard, the CPU pan, the random access memory, the HDD or hard disk drive, and the optical disk drive. This is the system unit. This is the power supply unit. The main use is of power supply unit is to provide stable electricity, and the device converts and supplies electricity of the required voltage and frequency. Power supply unit is classified by applications for available DC, AC, and output voltage ranges. So this is the power supply unit cables, including the 20 plus 4 pin, the 4 plus 4 pin, the SATA power connector, and then the Molex connector, and so on. And the next component that I'm going to introduce is the motherboard. So this is the motherboard. The motherboard, it distributes electricity to facilitate the communication and between to the central processing unit or CPU, and then the random access memory. So in the motherboard you can see the CPU. So this is the CPU. This is the CPU. The CPU is it is the brain and heart of the computer. And then the next is the CPU pan. This is the CPU pan. It is designed to cool down the processors, and it's also designed to avoid overheating. And the next one is the random access memory. So this is the random access memory. You can see it by in the motherboard. The random access memory is used for data storage and retrieval. This is the random access memory. And then the next one is the HDD. This is the HDD, and it is used for storing and retrieving digital data. It is commonly used, of course, in computers and laptops and etc. Again, this is the HDD. And the last component that I'm going to introduce is the optical disk drive. This is the optical disk drive, and the optical disk drive is a type of computer disk drive that uses laser lights to electromagnetic waves. So the purpose of this is to read or write data on optical disks such as CDs and DVDs. That's all, and thank you for listening.